So, first of all, when we're diagnosing the back, we can, feel these muscles beside the spine either with our fingers or with our palms of our hands. So on a bigger guy, I'm going to feel with the palms of my hands. I could feel with my fingers and just cross-fibering that to see how tight it is, basically. So more of a diagnosis than a treatment, but it will feel nice. It'll get away any tension that comes away nice and easy.
Together there, right? Hey, those ones are really close together.
This one, the Achilles band is going to be out here.
Yep.
And this big toe sacrum one is here. So not too close together, but relatively, depending upon the size of the person. Yeah, but that's all coming through here. So, big breath. I usually just put a few vertebrae in if they're out, just to make it easier to feel what's going on. That was okay? Yeah. Now, the big toe sacrum band does come through here in the sacrum, and that's an easier to access position from the side. And we've got tension coming in on either side here as well. So the actual techniques I would use on his back would only generally be used after I've done his big toe, the big toe sacrum band or the Achilles band. And all I would do on his back would be to rub like this on either of these two bands, or I could use elbows and do either pressure on, and I'm not going to go too hard right now because I haven't released here, but this is just an example of the technique. Pressure on, pressure off.
So really you do that after you've done that?
That's right.
Yeah. Okay.
That's right.
Yep.
But I'm just showing you the techniques that we would use.
Yep.
Or I could roll across it with my elbow. And again, quite light here because I haven't loosened him up, okay? And otherwise I'll be causing bad pain, right? But this is how I would do it. I would roll over or just hold it. And I could do that with fingers on if I'm on a small frame person, my elbows are too big, okay? So I would just either hold or roll over. I could do that with knuckles, hold or roll over, all right? And with oil, I could just run up that, okay? Either with my thumbs, with my fingers, I could do like a circular movement with oil, or I could use my elbow on either side like this, okay? I can even get the Achilles band with this part of my forearm, like more like how Lomi Lomi does a lot of these kinds of strokes.
Yeah, I've seen that, yeah.
Okay?
And that gets right into there, doesn't it? Into that.
That would have to be more like this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
okay.
But these ones would get more into the big toe sacrum and the Achilles band, yeah? But you certainly could come into here. Okay, they like to do a lot of sweeping kinds of moves, and they'll go right into the legs and things like that.